Hey YouTube! Today we're turning these document pouches into tote bags. So I got these for about $2 each from a shop called Moshi Moshi. You will also need patches and strap adjusters. So either of them will do. And also nylon webbing. So let's start with the easy one. To figure out the strap length, you pin the strap onto your pouch in the longest length that you want. Then you add 20 centimeters to it for seam allowances. Then after that, you cut off about a third. The short length will be the adjustable length. And then seal all the ends. You take the longer length and thread it through the strap adjuster. Fold the ends down and sew it in place. Now on the other end of the strap, we fold it over and sew it onto the bag. So make sure that when you fold the strap over, the strap adjuster is facing forward. And the shorter length will be sewn on the other side. Okay, after that is done, you thread it through the adjustable part of the strap. You double fold the ends and sew it in place so that it doesn't fall off when you adjust it. For the gray one, I'm going to box the bottom, so I took off that tag, flip it to the wrong side, and match the seam so that they're in the middle. Then you just fold up the corners to the width that you want. So keep in mind that the wider the bottom, the shorter the bag will become. So I think I fold this about 6 centimeters or so. Then we cut off 1 centimeter away from the fold line. Next, we're going to bias bind the corners. I'm using a scrap piece of cotton that's cut about 2 centimeters wider than the cut on the bottom. I sew the short ends with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Then wrap it around the cut and sew over it again. And this is how it turned out. Okay, we're gonna install this detachable adjustable clip. So you see that middle band there? That will be the adjustable part. We're gonna thread the strap into it and then cut out about 1/3 of the original length. And the other side goes through that little hoop there. And we sew all that in place. For this one, I sew the straps on the same side of the bag because I want to. Okay, this is what it looks like, and you can add the tag back if you want, but I wanted to decorate it with patches. And this is the fun part. These are iron-on patches, but they won't iron onto this bag because it's made of rubber. So I sew them in place. So that means that if you get bored of the bag, you can just take the threads out. You can reuse the patches on another project. So thanks for watching, and See you next time. Bye.